Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy the cryptocurrency Chainlink. This we're gonna do on Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save another 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08%. At first you have to do registration, therefore I put a link in the video description. If you click it, you come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After your account is created, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go into the menu and click here on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit fiat money. Therefore you just click here on verify, and if you want to increase your limit you can also do address verification. After you are able to deposit some money, therefore you just click here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer or credit card, but you can also click here on crypto and deposit, for example, Bitcoin. Then you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer and after on continue. Now you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer, so just use it to do the wire transfer, and after 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. When the money has arrived you can click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. Here you get an overview of all your assets, and what we want to do is buying Bitcoin at first, and with Bitcoin we can buy Chainlink. Therefore you just search for Bitcoin, click here on trade, and then you buy Bitcoin with your local currency. In my case it would be Bitcoin Euro. After you come to the trading view where you can buy Bitcoin, there you just scroll down, click here on market order, and then you define how much money you want to invest in Bitcoin. You can also use this adjustable bar to define how much of your available balance you want to use to buy Bitcoin, and if this is fine you just click here on buy Bitcoin. After you go back into your spot wallet, and now we can use the Bitcoin to buy Chainlink. Therefore you just search for it, and if you found it you go to trade, and now you can click at the trading pair link to Bitcoin. Here we can now buy link, respectively Chainlink, with Bitcoin. Therefore we scroll down, click here on market order, and there you just type in how much Bitcoin you want to invest in Chainlink, but you can also use this adjustable bar to define how much of your Bitcoin you want to invest in Chainlink. If this is done, you just click here on buy Chainlink, and that's it. If you want to sell it, you just go to the right side and click here on sell Chainlink, and that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.